Hi guys, welcome to Joseph's Cafe's Patreon page, and I decided to make this up to bring our workshops online. So as many of you guys may know, I do in-store workshops pretty much monthly. I do more intermediate and advanced workshops in terms of making latte art like a tulip or a rose, and I also do beginner barista workshops for home brewing and also in-store commercialized cafes as well. So what I decided to do and why I brought this Patreon page up is because I know that there's some guys out there who are living in other countries or who are living too far from us, and you'd love to take part of this, or you want to just up your game. So what we're doing in this is bringing the experience I know and the knowledge I know straight to you in the comforts of your own home for just €5 a month. And what will it give you guys is that in every 2 weeks we'll be releasing a tutorial video on a specific topic. So for example, that first video we'll be doing is how to make an iced coffee, perfect every single time with just a mocha pot. With this experience, guys, you'll be able to learn how to do that at home or in a shop. And then on top of that, guys, we'll be doing more in-depth explanations on how to use the machine that you have on hand, or how to use the beans you buy in the store to make them taste just impeccable, because that's how I do it. And I've learned how to use it with just my 5 senses. I don't rely on temperature gauges, weighing scales, or the presets on the machine. I use my sight, my taste, the smell, the way that the milk sounds, the feel of the hot coffee or the hot milk as it textures in the jug. I'll teach you how to do all that, and I'll make you bring your barista game from, pretty amazing to impeccable. So I think that by doing this, guys, you'll really enjoy it, and you'll see the love that I have for coffee, the passion that I feel for preparing a brew every single time, and also get you guys the knowledge to become the best barista that you can become and make the perfect espresso every single time. So if you're happy with that, guys, and you're excited to start learning, join us. Go to our Patreon page, subscribe to us, and get these lessons. Learn how to make the perfect coffee in a mocha pot, a French press, even a kettle. You let AeroPress, you get drip coffee, the commercialized coffee machine, everything. And on top of that, every single month we'll be doing a giveaway where you can get a personalized jacket like this one, what's your name on it, personalized t-shirts with our logo and your name, personalized coffee mugs, and also on top of that you'll be getting either one of those or a bag of beans freshly roasted by us and prepared for you and sent straight to your house free of charge. So if that sounds amazing to you guys and you're excited to start learning this as much as I am, click on the link, let's see you on the other side, and let's begin our barista journey together. I'll see you then.